Hello, I've got an app spotlight to share with you today. This is an exclusive Android TV app as of this point in time. It should be available on all Sony Bravia Android TVs as far as I'm aware. And essentially this one is for the football fans out there, or soccer, depending on where you're watching from. And this app you can find in the Google Play Store. It's the UEFA TV app. Simply put, just go down to Google Play Store as ever, search for UEFA as I've done up there, go ahead and download and install UEFA.tv app, and once you've installed it, of course, do all the typical things you would do. So go ahead and pin it to the home screen for easy access by going over to the plus icon over here and searching for UEFA TV. And of course, if you have a more modern Sony Android TV, you should also hit the input selector button and go ahead and pin it down here as well by going all the way to the right, edit, and finding the UEFA TV app for quick access. Sorry, it's right at the end. And it should show up in this bottom row as well for ease of access. Okay, so about the app itself. Once you have created an account and logged in, you can do all sorts of cool things, such as watch some live matches, and there's a couple of matches scheduled for today I can see in here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to go into too much detail here because obviously it could be copyright striked. Below that you have things like some highlights for the week, editors' picks, other Champions League footage, Europa League, Youth League, Euro, and so on and so on. So pretty straightforward app, but I think this is really gonna be great for the football fans out there. And what better TVs to have it on than the Sony range, which of course are best in class for motion handling. So yeah, do enjoy, and if you have any other questions about Sony TVs in general, just let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, and this channel will always have content related to Sony. Thank you.